This is a video on how to align two small circles for a banner design on your Cricut through your application on your phone. First, select the triangle image or any image you're trying to create a banner on. Then add two additional shapes. You can reshape the triangle to whatever size. I'm just doing a regular triangle for the purpose of the video. Once you get the circles on the screen, go ahead and resize them to the size that you want. For this purpose, I did a 1 centimeter of an inch circle. And then I resized it to about 0.18. And I then went into actions and hit the duplicate option to make two. The application provides an aligning tool, but you can also place them where you want to place them, or if they're not and you don't feel comfortable, you can go ahead and select them all and then go to the edit option at the bottom of the toolbar and click on align. And you'll select align to top, and then it will align it in a straight line. And then you can go ahead and put your image right under it, highlight all of it, and go back into actions and click on the attached button. The attach option, what it will do is it will combine both images, so when you cut it, it will cut those circles off of your triangle. Hope this video helped you align your two circles or any other items you're trying to align straight.